Tuesday after Lynn, and good and bad news. Jamie's washing it, getting it cleaned. We've gone to unload it, started the engine, and long story short, it sounded rattly, so we've got a problem. So we made a decision, we spoke to Roy, and the engine's going to come out, sadly. We thought it's not, something up top isn't been great all year, so we're going to get it out and have a look proper now. So yeah, we've not got a meeting for 5 weeks, so I'm going to sort it out. Drivers tip the things of the day situation. I think the driver's a bit of an idiot, it is. So you join us. T-bar. Oh, nice. You can probably see a load of bits on the floor everywhere, scattered about, and that's because the engine is coming out. She's a bit poorly on the first cylinder on a rocker. There's some problem up there. Been trying to sort it for 3 meetings, and it just keeps coming loose, and we've come to the conclusion there's something a bit more sinister going on, so the engine's going to be lifted out and it's going to be going back to Roy's.
I'll tell you what's wrong with it. It's the driver which is wrong with it.
Probably is. I mean, it's bittersweet because it kind of feels like we're only running it at about 80%, and it's not bad, to be fair. So when it's 100%, I think that's about half a lap in front.
One of these days he's going to wake up, isn't he?
Yeah, but no, seriously, it's been a bit poorly, and we just don't want to risk running it again while it's like it is. So it's coming out, going to have a bit of check over and make sure, or find what the issue is, because something at the moment just isn't gelling in there. So. So off it goes, it's going to Roy's for some TLC. Poor engine. It's there, isn't it? Just turn it to light a bit. See, even on there it shows up major, look. So yeah, that's the state of the engine. It turns out the cam or follower is failed. It run mechanical cam and mechanical followers on solid adjustable push rods, and something's failed there. So obviously it's now been sent back to the guys where it come from, Kent, to assess it and see what they can do, because it's literally done 2 meetings. So yeah, hopefully we can sort something out, and our plan is to try and get it back in a car for Hendisford on the 17th of May, but it's see where it comes. But yeah, just a cam and follower, I say just big enough, but nothing more too serious with the engine. But we're gonna check a few other bits on it and make sure nothing else is failed. So yeah, big thank you to Roy Allen, Roy's Rovers, for once again giving us the time, doing it for us, looking after us. Couldn't do it without them. So yeah, big thanks to them, and we'll do another part when it's all going back together, and we've got some bits going on the car as well. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah. LDMC on the floor. Fit a beat. Tonight, just enjoy the ride. Hands up high, feel the energy rise. Look around, see the fire in the eyes. We don't stop till the morning light. Lose control, yeah, we own this night. Let's feel the sound tonight. We're alive. That's right. Don't stop the flow. Everybody move, let your body go. Yeah. Break it down low, then we bring it back. Feel that groove in your heart attack. Feet on fire, rhythm in your veins. Dance so hard, forget your pain. Turn it up, let the speakers scream. We living fast in the neon dream. No regrets, just the vibe we chase. Sweat it down in this crowded place. No limits now, just feel the beat. From your head down to